Do you ever sit with your headphones on, listening to English, but feel like nothing is going in? Like the words are flying past you, too fast, too confusing, and you're stuck in the same place? What if I told you listening to English can feel easy, even fun, once you change just a few small habits? Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to the Achieve English podcast channel, your place to learn practical, simple English with confidence and joy. In today's episode, number 17, we'll unlock real, simple ways to improve your English listening. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need hours of free time. You just need your ears, a little patience, and a few tips I'm about to share. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You watch a movie in English. You laugh, you understand most of it, and you feel amazing. Now compare that to when you try to watch a news clip or a podcast and your brain just freezes. Why is it so easy one moment and so hard the next? Here's the truth. Listening is not just about your ears. It's about your habits. And the good news? You can build great listening habits with small changes every day. Let's start with this idea. You don't need to understand every word. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see learners make. They hear a sentence, miss one word, and panic. But think about your own language. Do you understand every single word in every conversation? Of course not. You get the meaning from the situation, the tone, the body language, the topic. So here's your first listening habit. Focus on meaning, not words. When you listen, ask yourself, what's the main idea? Is this happy, sad, funny, serious? What's the speaker trying to say overall? Let the details come later. Now, let's talk about speed. English sounds fast, right? Even slow speakers can feel like they're talking at lightning speed. But often, it's not about the actual speed. It's about how words connect. Native speakers don't say, "What are you going to do?" They say, "What you gonna do?" It's not lazy. It's natural rhythm. So how can you train your ear for this? This is shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a short clip, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and repeat it exactly how you hear it. Not slowly, not clearly, but just like the speaker. You're not trying to be perfect. You're training your ear to catch real English rhythm. And the best part? You can do this with TV shows, YouTube videos, or even TikToks. Another powerful trick? Listen to the same thing more than once. We often feel pressure to always move on to new things, but your brain learns faster with repetition. Here's a method I call 3-step listening. First listen, just enjoy. Don't pause. Try to catch the general idea. Second listen, pause and check words you didn't understand. Use subtitles or a transcript. Third listen, close your eyes and repeat key phrases out loud. Feel the rhythm, not just the words. This method works even with just 2 to 3 minutes of content per day. Imagine how much better your listening can get in just 1 week. Now, let's talk about what to listen to. Many learners make the mistake of choosing materials that are too hard. The news, academic podcasts, complicated interviews. Don't do that yet. This is choose easy, fun content first. Think about what you already enjoy in your native language. Cooking videos, comedy skits, love stories, travel vlogs. Find those same things in English. Your brain learns faster when it feels relaxed and happy. Remember this, if you're bored, you're not learning. So don't force yourself to listen to business podcasts if you hate business. Don't start with BBC News if you love cartoons. Let your interests lead your learning. Another great tool, slow English content. There are podcasts, YouTube channels, and audiobooks made just for learners. The speed is slower, the words are easier, and the topics are fun. Some of my favorites include The English We Speak from BBC Learning English, ESL Pod, Speak English with Mr. Duncan on YouTube. These aren't just lessons, they're real English designed for you. Still with me? Awesome, because here's one more important point. You don't need to sit down and study listening. Yes, you heard that right. You can improve your listening while doing other things. Washing dishes, walking your dog, taking the bus, working out at the gym. This is called passive listening. You're not writing things down or repeating every word. You're just letting the language play in your ears. Your brain is still working, even if you don't realize it. Here's a simple challenge. Play one short English video every day while brushing your teeth. That's 2 minutes of listening twice a day, every day. In 1 month, you'll have over 2 hours of relaxed daily English input. Tiny habits equal big results. And here's one final golden rule. Don't give up too early. Many learners quit because they feel frustrated. They think, this is too hard, I'll never understand native speakers. But the truth is, your brain needs time. Listening is a skill, not a gift. So be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Every time you understand one more sentence, every time you catch a new word, every time something clicks, that's progress. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Let's go deeper. We've talked about habits and mindset. Now let's talk about practice methods, specific ways to train your ears and improve fast. First method, use English subtitles, but use them wisely. A lot of learners say, I only understand if I have subtitles. That's okay. Subtitles are not cheating, they are tools. But here's the trick. Don't depend on them forever. Try this 3-step trick. Watch once with subtitles, relax and understand the meaning. Watch again with no subtitles, challenge your ears. 3. Watch one more time, but only use subtitles if you're stuck. This helps you slowly build confidence while still understanding the story. Want to level up even more? Use transcripts. Many podcasts and videos offer full transcripts, word by word. When you listen and read at the same time, you connect sounds with spelling. You start to notice how going to becomes gonna, how did you becomes didja. You hear what real English sounds like, not textbook English. Here's a quick activity. Choose a short audio clip, maybe 1 minute. Play and read the transcript. Then close the text and try to repeat what you hear. Then listen one more time and check how close you were. Do this every day. Your ear will start to recognize sounds you used to miss. Now let's talk about listening goals. Many learners don't know how to measure progress. They ask, am I improving? How do I know? Here's a simple solution. Set micro goals. Instead of saying, X, I want to understand native speakers. Say, A, I want to understand 70% of a 3-minute video about travel. B, I want to write down 10 new words I hear this week. C, I want to shadow one conversation per day for 5 days. These goals are clear, achievable, trackable. When you reach them, you feel successful. That builds confidence. And confidence is everything when learning a language. Here's another fun idea. Keep a listening journal. It's super simple. Each day, write down what you listened to, how long you listened, 1 or 2 new phrases or expressions you liked, how you felt, easy, hard, fun, boring. This builds self-awareness. You start to see patterns. You'll know what works for you and what doesn't. Now, I want to share a common fear. Many learners are afraid of native speakers. Not because they don't like them, but because they talk too fast, use slang, or have strong accents. Here's my advice. Don't avoid accents, embrace them. The world is full of different English accents: British, American, Australian, Indian, South African, Filipino. If you only listen to one accent, you're limiting yourself. Start small, short clips, maybe with subtitles. Listen to a British speaker one day. Try an Australian vlog the next. Even watch TikToks or Instagram reels from different countries. Your ear will get used to variety, and that's a superpower. Here's something important too. Don't be afraid to repeat, again and again. Some learners think, I already watched this. I should find something new. But remember this. Your brain learns by repetition. Children don't listen once and remember forever. They hear the same words, the same songs, the same stories again and again. That's how they become fluent. So yes, it's okay to watch that video again. It's smart to listen to that podcast 5 times. The goal is not to finish content. The goal is to absorb the language. Now, here's a secret weapon not many people talk about. Talk to yourself. Yes, I know it sounds funny, but it works. After you listen to something in English, pause. Then say out loud, in your own words, what you understood. It can be simple. For example, okay, they were talking about their weekend. She went to a concert. He stayed home. They joked about being lazy. You don't need perfect grammar. Just express ideas. This connects listening and speaking. It helps you remember new phrases. And it builds speaking confidence without needing a partner. Another smart habit? Third, use the pause and predict method. When watching a video or podcast, pause often and ask yourself, 1. What do I think they'll say next? 2. What would I say in this situation? 3. What's the main point so far? This keeps your brain active. You're not just hearing English, you're interacting with it. It's like a mini conversation, just in your mind. Here's something simple, but powerful. Third, change your phone language to English. Yes, seriously. When your phone is in English, you see the language every day, in small, useful ways. Settings, Wi-Fi, battery low, update now. These words become normal, familiar, automatic. And that's the goal, to make English feel natural. Now let's talk about time. So many people say, I don't have time to practice listening. But here's the truth. Third, you don't need extra time. You need to use your dead time. What's dead time? It's time when you're doing something mindless, like washing dishes, brushing teeth, walking, commuting, waiting in line. Use those 5 to 10 minutes for English listening. No stress, no pressure. Just hit play and let it flow. Even just 10 minutes a day equals over 60 hours a year. That's a full college semester, just from your headphones. Here's a small challenge for you. Third, create your listening routine. It could be Monday to Friday, 10 minutes of shadowing. Saturday, one fun YouTube video. Sunday, review your listening journal. Keep it simple, keep it light, but keep it consistent. Small, daily practice beats 3 hours once a week. Consistency is your best teacher. And finally, let me say this. You are doing better than you think. You showed up. You listened. You're still here, still learning. And that's not easy. That takes courage. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on progress, even small progress. Because step by step, day by day, you will become someone who understands English clearly, who listens with confidence, who feels proud of how far they've come. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. So let's take a moment to look back. Today, we explored how to truly improve your English listening in a way that feels real, simple, and possible. Not with pressure, not with stress, but with joy, curiosity, and smart little habits. You learned that it's okay not to understand every word, that it's more important to feel the meaning than to chase every detail. You discovered the power of shadowing, repetition, listening routines, and even talking to yourself. You saw how just 10 minutes a day can build real progress without needing extra time. And the best part? Everything we talked about today, you can start right now. Yes, even today, even just one step. Maybe you'll replay your favorite podcast. Maybe you'll write a sentence in your listening journal. Or maybe you'll smile because something that felt too hard yesterday feels possible today. Whatever you choose, just remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're here with you, every episode, every week, cheering for your progress. Now, before we say goodbye, first, like this video if it helped you. Second, subscribe to the channel for more English practice every week. Third, leave a comment below. What's one listening tip you will try today? And most important, practice what you've just learned, even 5 minutes, right now. You're building your English future 1 minute at a time. Thanks for being here with me, Jessica, on the Achieve English podcast channel. Take care, keep listening, and see you in the next episode. Bye for now.